So today's video is a bit different. So take your time, watch, and don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video. Alright, thank you.
New besties shoot. So yeah, you all know that Vicky James Atera is my ex-bestie, duh, and I have a new bestie on the way. So yeah, we're about to shoot my baby, and guess what? We're featuring my ex-bestie because she's the baby mama now. Duh. Look at how she's giving me stress. This girl's in love with me, by the way. But I kept her to get to. She can't get over the fact that she's about to lose her bestie to another person. And it's okay. Like, life happens, baby. Move on. So back to the work here. I'm laying her with the best product on the market from Beauty by Adefunke. And the wig she's wearing is from Air by Adefunke. I'm about to make it stunning. See how vibrant she is now. This is all about to change in a minute here. At this point of the process, my girl was done, exhausted, drained, tired. Hell, you all didn't tell me that this thing called pregnancy is such a roller coaster, because 1 minute she's good, the other minute she's exhausted. And like, she was literally hanging in there. Shout out to you, baby. I love you so much. But we had to do the shoot anyway. So here she was again, now into herself again. The real Vicky James. She's a bit calmer. We're using the most things from Beauty by Adefunke to blend this lace into our scalp, guys. We're about to give her the scalp effect. Can I hear you all say, what lace, honey? It's about to be a meltdown. And do you think for once that there'll be a Vicky James video, or Vicky James will sit on my seat and not sleep off? It's impossible, darling. She cannot help herself, pregnancy or no pregnancy. This girl will sleep off on my chair. And this wasn't me trying to be a pest. This is Anu being a pest to her. I'm literally teasing her right now. This lady couldn't keep her eyes open, and trust me, this was the entire process. So here we are using the melting spray to just blend it all in, melt it all in, give it the final finishing effect. I see my girl giving her some demure sleeve. Now everything done set. Hell, she has cooked. She now knows that, oh yeah, body has resumed, and she's giving us the body look. Like, okay, I'm that girl. Put on her lip gloss, giving you all the don't forget that I'm that girl. Oh yeah, we know, darling, you are that girl. We didn't forget. We never did. So now this is the shoot today. Shout out to everybody I worked on the set, from Bureau to Annie Roberto, Peter Stone to Glamchi to Julia. You all are amazing for coming together to make this an amazing shoot. Anyways, bye guys. Hi my lovely. So we all know that 2 years ago this beauty and this handsome boy decided to do life together. And what happened 2 years after? They gifted me. Yeah, me with the new perfect bestie. So yes, it's official, guys. Vicky James Atera is no longer my best friend, because I have a new best friend. Thank you, Vicky and Fami, for making the perfect best friend for me, Adefunke. Dear bestie, dear God kid, I'm about to make you the most happiest God kid ever in this world. Shout out to you. Don't worry, there's a space for you, Vicky, if you still want to join. We don't do a third wheel, but we would try to fit you in. But guys, we're having a baby. Oh, see, my babies are having a baby. Anyways, my God.